I'm going to go over the wealth decision again with you guys. I've been talking about this a lot. We've been talking about this, especially for our investors. Like, where do you want to go? And if you think about it, this right here, right now, this is our wealth pyramid. So if you take a look at wealth on a pyramid, the bottom part of the pyramid, they're already taken care of. Then you have the tip top of the pyramid. I'm not talking about the 1%. I'm talking about the top of the 1%. That is BlackRock, Blackstone, Vanguard, endowment funds, CalPERS, all of them. Even within here, you have sovereign princes, you have people in Saudi, you have Russian oligarchs, you have the top of the top of the top, people who would dwarf Warren Buffett. These are the wealthiest companies in the world who control everything. So naturally, I want to be here. Why not? Right? Like we want to build something, but we can't get there doing it fighting alone. Typically, most people are stuck in the middle. The middle class, either you're a middle class millionaire, you're a business owner, you're an entrepreneur, you're a professional, whatever the case may be. But primarily, this area is the target. So everyone typically wants to go from the bottom of the middle class to the middle of the middle class, the top of the middle class to get into the 1%. And to make it easy math, let's see. I know it was Investopedia, and also what's the name of this site? This site, I won't go through what the site is because I can't pull it. I can pull it. What's the name of the site real fast? I know somebody was like, don't do that. It's slow, but I wanted to do it anyways. But um it was something like Capital Graphs or something like that. Like it's one of those type sites, but it talks about $800,000 is the income that you need to be that's the income, the top 1%. $800,000 income. Now, I have on the bottom of this, I don't know if you guys can see it, I'll move it. $400,000 is the typical individual income for you to be able to be in the top 1% of income earners. But the fastest way to go from the middle class Americans, middle class or middle in any country, really. You're in the middle, whether you're in Europe, you're in Asia, you're in the United States, you're in Canada, you're in Mexico, wherever you are, right? Typically, you're going to have, you can't earn your way. Most people are talking about let's earn income. What else can you do? If you're a business owner, yeah, you have an unlimited amount of earning ability if you're going to earn income. But typically, the fastest way for you to go from the middle to the top, if you're going to go here, you're not going to earn your way to the top. Boom. You're going to invest your way to the top. This is an easier target to be because what Investopedia says is you need $13.7 million worth of net worth to actually be considered the top of the food chain here. So that should be the goal for you and your family. And if you're going to invest your way to the top, then you know that you need to be able to take your money, your earned income. You don't need 800,000, you don't need 300,000. If you have a business, you need to be minimum $1 million in income. $1 million in income in your business. And as you guys have heard me say already, based on the statistics, 9 out of 10 businesses in America make less than $1 million in revenue a year. So that is not a problem. What that is there's a commitment thing. You need to be 100% committed. And I got to move over some. You got to be 100% committed to what I call the wealth playbook. If you have a business or you're a business owner or you're an entrepreneur or a professional, 70% of your time, if you're going to follow this wealth playbook and make the decision to get to the top of the food chain, and you're going to use your business to do it, 70% of your time is going to be spent on marketing and sales, period. Because this is the only activity in any business that produces money. This is the only one. The other 30% of your time, which can be broken up into 15. Can you guys see that? Good. That's going to be in operations and admin, period. But if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, whatever the case may be, 70% of your time should be spent on marketing and sales. The rest of your time is going to be in operations, which is delivery of that, delivering a product, a service, or whatever, and the administration of that. And then once you get this happening consistently, then you move into the scale, right? That's duplication. 10x in yourself, 10x in your company, 10x in your employees, things like that. But they have to have something to focus on. That is your wealth playbook, which is why I always said the wealthy are just playing by a different playbook. They're using a different playbook. So while they're working their playbook, you are a part of the playbook, somebody else's playbook, if it's not your own. Even if it's your own, you're still inside of your playbook. But this is how you need to look at that. Are you an accredited investor with $300,000 or more liquid in the bank? I want you to come and partner with me. Look, if you love real estate, passive income, and positive cash flow, appreciation over long periods of time, and you're willing to be patient, come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com. This is for accredited investors with $300,000 or more in the bank, ready to go. Come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com.